Kodiak Kona is a versatile, rechargeable fan and light hybrid. Combining powerful airflow, adjustable lighting, and portable convenience, the Kona is built for everything from camping trips and outdoor gatherings to emergency preparedness and everyday use. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package, you'll find the Kodiak Kona oscillating fan light along with a USB-C charging cable. Before using the Kona for the first time, it's recommended to fully charge the unit to ensure maximum runtime and battery performance. Located on the front of the unit is the USB-C charging port. Using the included charging cable, the Kona should be charged fully before first use and can be recharged from zero in approximately 4.5 hours. An integrated charging indicator allows you to easily monitor charging progress during use, and it is advised to not use the device while it is in the process of charging. The Kodiak Kona is designed to withstand the demands of both indoor and outdoor environments while remaining lightweight and easy to transport. The unit measures approximately 7¾ inches tall, just over 7.5 inches wide, and a little over 3 inches deep. Weighing just over 1 pound, the Kona offers an ideal balance of portability and stability while having an IP2X rating. The head can be adjusted at any angle along a nearly 360-degree arc, all while taking advantage of every other feature of the device. By utilizing the adjustable feet on the stable base, you can place the device on rough or otherwise bumpy surfaces and let it rest comfortably. To take advantage from a different angle, you can also unfold the hanging hook to be placed upside down and adjust it accordingly to meet your needs at that moment. Dedicated controls allow you to manage the fan and light functions independently of each other, while keeping the Kona's operation simple and intuitive. Button 1 is the fan, Button 2 is the fan's oscillation, and Button 3 is the light. Pressing Button 1 cycles through 3 speeds identified by the digital display, while pressing Button 3 cycles through 3 light intensities. The integrated LED light utilizes a daylight color temperature of approximately 6,500 Kelvin, helping provide clear, natural-looking illumination. The lighting system features 3 brightness levels. First is high mode with 27 lumens, 15-hour runtime, and 6.8 meter light throw. Medium mode balances brightness and runtime by double, while low mode provides exceptional, extended operation when conserving battery power is a priority. The fan alone offers a battery life of up to 6 hours when left on the low, while high speed brings it to 2 hours. Battery life varies when taking combined modes into account, with oscillating bringing low-speed fan mode to 2 hours. Make sure to take note and plan accordingly, as all 3 modes can be active at the same time.